Hi friends, welcome to Food Explorer. Today we are making Dalgona coffee. The needed ingredients are sugar, Nescafe or coffee powder, hot milk and hot water. Now we are taking into the glass 2 spoonful of coffee powder and then adding 2 spoonful of sugar, and for this we are going to add little bit amount of water and stir it well. We have added 2 spoonful of hot water and then we are mixing it. Now take the milk into the glass and pour the cream on the top of it. Now add this cream onto the top of the milk. Dalgona coffee is ready. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video.